Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you want a pair of all-round skates with the classic skate look, you should go for roller skates, also known as quad skates. They are designed with a wide baseplate that provides you with good stability, and they are suitable for all ages, kids as well as older people.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you're looking for ways to lose weight, look no further than roller skating. This activity provides the same results as running or jogging, but it's much less harmful to your joints. Because of the smooth gliding, your leg muscles are getting a workout without causing unnecessary pressure on your joints. 7 January 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Roller skating is an amazing activity for people who want to get toned legs, thighs, buttocks, and hips. Most people who are just starting out on their skating journey tend to find that their bodies start visibly toning up within 1 to 2 months of regular skating. So yes, it absolutely does tone your bum. 29 September 2020.
Take our lead.
Most roller skates are going to fit the same as your standard shoe size. So, if you wear a size 8 in your everyday shoes, a size 8 in roller skates will fit. Most brands of roller skates will make their skates fit the same as popular shoe brands to make it easier to size.
Let's help you make your mark.
What to look for when buying skates. Size. Skate fitting varies from person to person. Price. Let's be honest, not everyone can afford to get into the newest, top-of-the-line ice hockey skate. Fit style. The fit style of your hockey skates essentially describes what kind of foot you have and what kind of skater you are. Protection. Growing room.
Take our lead.
Inline skates tend to offer better ankle support and more speed, but quad skates are better for overall stability. Inlines are generally easier for beginners to learn with, but quad skates are both highly customizable and better for artistic movements like strutting or spinning. 3 October 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.